Hi, welcome to the unboxing and installation guide video of all new Comet Treadmill by beatXP. Let us quickly move on to our next steps. When you receive the box, start by removing the bending and the lid. Before we start our installation, we recommend laying all the parts and checking them against the manual to make sure you are not missing any items. Step 1. Lift up the upright column and console. Step 2. Use 5 hexagon wrench and screw M845 and M822 to lock the washers and nut through the columns in the base and tighten them with nut M8. Step 3. Hold left and right columns. Use the number 6 hexagon wrench to lock the console frame on the columns with the screw M825. Step 4. Use the screwdriver to remove the pre-installed screw M514 and use them to secure the side covers onto the base. Step 5. Attach the safety key on the console. Step 6. Attach the aux cable on the console. And with this step, your beatXP Comet treadmill is ready to use. Designed for urban lifestyle, offers great portability feature, foldable for easy storage, made for walking and running.